$40. See?
Like, what the heck?
I just love the way they're flowing.
You love the what, Shella?
Yeah, nice, so nice park. Nice park. I thought he was talking to me. I said, yeah. I thought he was like, do you love the
You know where the summer mountain is?
I think it's up there.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that sign here.
This is my shirt.
Nice. Can we have a real pizza in the ID?
That's where we eat town and food. Like a deli.
Yeah, no, it's really good deli food.
Yeah. And it's cheap there. Mura lang at masarap na. Oh my god. What a cool advertisement. Ang lipong na, ang linis. Hindi makalat. So, dito kami sa Brisbane Island. In Seattle. Sasakay ka ng ferry boat from Seattle to Brisbane Island. I mean Bainbridge. Brisbane. Not in Brisbane. In Bainbridge. Ang binayaran namin sa ticket sa kada tao, $9 ang bayad sa ferry. So, pagpunta mo, babayad ka ng ticket worth $9. And then pagbalik, libre na. Say hi!
Hi.
How's your coffee?
Coffee is great.
Good.
Company is even better.
Yay!
Love you all.
Cheesy. Cheesy. Ngayon, pabalik na kami ng ferry. And then, pagdating namin ng Seattle, punta kami ng... Saan yun? Saan tayo pupunta? Sa fish market? Pikes Place. Pikes Place. Doon yung maraming seafood, no? Seafood. Yan.
Where they throw the salmon.
Yeah, and then
World famous.
bibili kami doon. Then pwede siyang ipa-ship sa bahay. So hindi na namin kailangan dalhin. And then after the Pikes Market, sasakay kami ng Space Needle.
Yes.
Space Needle. Okay. We're heading back to the ferry. So, we're on a sidewalk. Busy rin siya mag-vlog daw. Coffee is life.
Coffee is life.
Okay, stoplight. Kakapagod. Maaraw pero hindi naman siya talaga mainit katulad sa Pinas. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin, parang Baguio. So, kahit na maglakad ka, hindi ka naman papawisan. So, ganito dito, puro lakad. Dito guys sa Pinas, malapit lang ang ka-tricycle. Dito mas gusto ng mga tao ang maglakad.